Have you ever noticed how your phone can predict what you are about to type? It's like it knows you better than your friends do. Or how Google Maps can tell you how late you will be even though you are like totally sure you will be on time. Yep, that's machine learning at work. So what is machine learning? In simple terms, machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that lets computers learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly told what to do. It's like that friend who magically knows which memes you love but without stalking your social media. Let's think of it this way. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a dog. You don't give them a 10-page essay on dog features. You just show them a bunch of dog pictures and soon they can spot a dog even if it's in a Halloween costume. Machine learning is similar, except it's a computer learning from tons of data and no dog costumes. How does it work? Let's break it down into 3 main steps. Well, the first step is data collection. Just like humans learn from experience, machines learn from data. The more data we give, the better the model can learn. And the second step is training. In this step, we feed the model tons of examples and it tries to learn patterns and relationships. Imagine watching 1000 cat videos to become a cat expert. That's basically what the machine is doing. And the third step is testing and improving. Here, we test the model on new data to see how well it learned. If it's accurate, great. If not, we tweak it until it's improved. It's like practicing a skill until you stop embarrassing yourself. Relatable, right? There are 3 main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, we train the model with labeled data, meaning data that already has the answers. It's like learning math with an answer key in the back of the book. You know where you are headed. In unsupervised learning, the model gets unlabeled data. It's like being told to organize your closet but with no idea where to start. It has to group similar items on its own. Finally, we have reinforcement learning. This one is a bit like training a pet. You reward the model for good behavior and gently correct the bad. It learns by trial and error. Machine learning is everywhere and makes lives easier even if we don't see it directly. It's behind your voice assistants, helps doctor diagnose diseases, and even helps decide what videos pop up in your YouTube feed. Basically, it's out there trying to figure out what you will love next before you even know. Machine learning could lead to breakthroughs in health, the environment, and more personalized experiences across everything. Who knows, maybe one day it will even be able to predict your taste in memes. So that's machine learning in a nutshell. Next time your phone finishes your sentence for you, just remember there is a ton of data and a lot of math behind it. Curious to learn more? There is a world of AI and ML waiting to be explored.